coffee. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. Actually, nagising ako an hour ago. Medyo late. Sarap ng tulog ko. Yan, sarap matulog, no? But anyway, ayun, ito. I'm just enjoying what's, left of the morning. Kanina, I'm here sa balcony. Medyo quiet pa yung neighborhood. Wala pang mga bata na tumatakbo-takbo dyan sa mga eskinita. Gising mo pa lang, marami ng mga tao dyan sa paligid, nakatambay sa labas. May mga bata nang naglalaro sa labas, and then you'll hear videoke everywhere, ganyan. Ayan, may nagpapanday. So that's the typical morning. But kanina, pagising ko, medyo tahimik siya, so talagang in-enjoy ko na lang muna yung yung morning while drinking my coffee. Anyway, so this is how I normally spend my morning. I spend a lot of time here in the balcony drinking my coffee, musing, thinking about a lot of stuff, imagining, daydreaming. And then ngayon, while I was doing that, I realized na this is actually yung parang mga, these are characteristic of being introvert. You know, guys, ikaw ba? Introvert ka ba? Introvert ka ba? Do you like being alone? Do you love being alone? Do you love the company of solitude? Well, ako kasi I'm a self-proclaimed introvert. I'm not sure if there is a diagnostic, for if you're an introvert or if you're an extrovert, kung may diagnostic ba doon, I'm not really sure. But anyway, I'm like this ever since when I was a kid. I was that kid na nandun lagi sa likod ng bahay kasi may malaking puno doon, and I just enjoyed being alone with my mind, with my thoughts, with daydreaming, and yun. So yun. But then as I grew older, during the 90s, I was captivated by the beats and the drums and the music of the 90s and the early 2000s. But it doesn't mean na iniwan ko na yung pagiging introvert. So, parang during those times, I just want to be part of the movement, the peace movement. Diba yung mga peace sign, yung kwintas na peace sign. That was the 90s. I just want to be part of that generation. And I kinda did that, and I enjoyed it so much. But then as I grew older, I came back to kasi talagang babalik ka kung saan ka talaga. Parang ako, I just experience the beats, the extrovert lifestyle ba tawag doon? Because I was young, but then when I became an adult, I retreated back to the lifestyle that I really want. Kasi I got a taste of the yung talagang upbeat na lifestyle. I was out there all the time. I was enjoying people, company, and all. And then I realized na nakakapagod siya. It wasn't the kind of lifestyle that I really wanted to pag adult na ako. So I retreated back to becoming introvert. I just wanted quiet. I just wanted peaceful. Sabi nga dun sa book na nabasa ko, I think it's The Power of Introvert ba yun? It's a very beautiful book. I forgot the author, but sabi dun, introvert is drawn to the inner world of thoughts and feelings. And it's kind of true. It doesn't mean naman na if you're an introvert person, you hate company. You hate people, you hate being surrounded by people. It's not like that. You just prefer the solitude, you just prefer the company of your thoughts, you just prefer the company of your emotions, you just enjoy the peacefulness, yon, the tranquility na naibibigay ng quietness, parang ganyan. But it doesn't mean that I hate no, I hated company, parang gano'n. No, hindi. Of course, I enjoyed company as well. I enjoyed having conversation with someone. The good thing about being an introvert though is I rarely feel alone. I rarely feel parang lonely. I don't know why. Ganon siguro talaga. Being an introvert allows me to like have this quietness, enjoy, the mornings, enjoy moments in time. Mga simpleng moments lang yon, simpleng let's say I have a conversation with someone, nai-enjoy ko yon at talagang inaano ko siya, absorb ba tamang term doon. Yun, hindi ako yung tipong na nagmamadali ka agad, talaga alis na tayo, kailangan may ganap, kailangan may mangyari, ganyan. No. If I met with someone, ini-enjoy ko yung company niya, ini-enjoy ko yung conversation namin, ini-enjoy ko yung every moment na magkasama kami. No. When I was in my 20s, parang naisip ko na parang I'm not actually making a lot of friends. No, so parang ano yun, parang malungkot ba ako na that I'm not making a lot of friends. But I realized na ang dami-daming mong maging kaibigan, but then when the time comes na kailangan mo sila, ilan lang yung nandun, di ba? So I'd rather have those 2 or 3 person that I know they are true friends. So it's okay for me that I have those friends na iilan lang. I don't need a lot. Most of the friends that I've known that are really are my great friends, I've met them during when I was in college. Yun yung bond namin. But most of them are out of the country, most of them wala dito sa Maynila. But we communicate all the time. And then of course as I venture my life into the corporate world, I met few of, I can say, true friends that I kept all through these years. Ilan lang sila talaga. Kaya every time na nagkikita kami, every time na magkakasama kami, ini-enjoy ko talaga yung moments na yon, nakasama ko sila. Kasi hindi naman kami everyday magkasama, di ba? And then you'll meet people na acquaintances, ganyan. So, binavalue mo rin yung, I get a chance to value their company as well. Ini-enjoy ko yung every moment na kasama sila. I got the chance to do that. I think it's a characteristic of being an introvert. Ayun, so naisip ko lang, while I'm here, since very quiet yung morning natin, very quiet yung neighborhood, isip ko lang yung thoughts na, how does it feels to live an introverted lifestyle? I'm kinda happy though. Dati parang siguro yung early 20s ko, ayun yung mga late 20s ko, nababothered ako na parang I'm not making a lot of friends. Parang I'm not putting myself out there kasi. So, laging trabaho, bahay lang ako. Kaya ayun, but then as I grow older, now I'm in my late 30s, I've realized na it's actually okay. The most important thing is I'm living the life that I wanted to live. Yung lifestyle na kinikrave ko when I was young, very peaceful, very quiet. Ito talaga yung life na nililive ko now. And also, one thing I've learned all through the years na I need to live my life the way I wanted to live it, not the other people's perception of how to live, diba? Kasi it's my life, it's my decision. At the end of the day, it's me who's living this lifestyle, diba? And of course, you'll meet those people, no? yung mga parang strong-willed na aggressive na dapat ganito ka, dapat ganito yung gagawin mo, dapat ganito yung buhay mo, ganyan ganyan. Okay, so let's go back. Medyo na-stop ko yung filming guys kasi may nasagasaan na bata. Ay, hindi naman siya nasagasaan, na bundol ng ng bisikleta. Mabilis kasi yung takbo ng bisikleta, tapos yung batang babae nandyan. Kasi during mga ganitong oras, may mga kids na naglalaro dyan sa labas. It's the typical neighborhood, no? Ayun, dinala na siya dun sa niya, sa parents niya. Medyo tumalon yung tumalon yung dibdib ko. I have 2 nieces. So I'm very protective of them. Medyo na-stress ako konti. Tahimik yung bata parang na-shock yata siya. Na-disrupt yung natin, yung tranquility. Anyway guys, so yun, I'm just speaking my thoughts out loud. Naisip ko lang siyang film. This is how I normally spend my morning, no? I just stay here sa balcony, let's say pagtapos na yung mga chores ko, let's say habang nagpapaikot ng laundry sa baba, kakatapos ko lang ng maglinis ito sa second floor, ganyan. So dito muna ako, finishing my coffee, enjoying what's left of the morning, ganyan. You can actually ignore these videos if you don't like this kind of topic. But probably some of you, you'll find this interesting. There's a lot of extrovert. There's a lot of introvert, diba? In a world of extroverted lifestyle. Tama ba yun? May masabi lang. Anyway, so hanggang dito na lang muna guys. I hope na peaceful yung day ninyo. I hope na okay kayo. Spend time with your family. Enjoy your day. Spend time with your loved ones. Make it count. Enjoy every moment na nagkausap mo sila. Ganyan. I just talked with my family last night, so I'm happy. Anyway, so yun. Enjoy ko na muna yung morning ko, and then ubus ko na yung coffee. Kasi baka feeling ko pa lunch na As I've always said guys, please choose life. Please choose happiness. And please start your day with a smile. Stay safe and enjoy your day. Bye for now.